Hey brother. Hello. So sorry, yeah. Basically, welcome to part 2. Remember I promised you guys for an operation video for the Mackintosh Probe. I'm gonna show you part by part, okay? The one thing you should know, this penetration cone should be placed here. The reason I'm not gonna do it is because we're on cement floor and it will spoil the sharpness of the penetration cone. So I'm just gonna skip this part, but remember, firstly, include this, okay? Do not skip this. Secondly, you're gonna put the hammer into the penetration rod, okay? Make sure it goes in until here, until the things comes out from the hole here. From there, you take the hammer nut and you screw it inside. Okay? Screw it. It's gonna take some time. From there, this thing you take and you screw in. So that the knot. Woo! This works better with 2 people, okay? So it goes in. Okay, so you see, it's stuck already, right? Normally what you will do, once the penetration cone is inside, and imagine the soil is here, right? You're in the soil. Just lift this thing and it goes up, down, up, down. Remember I told you about the height of 4 Mackintosh Probe, 30 cm, okay? So this is how much it will go up and goes down. So this will push down the penetration rod into the ground to test the strength of the soil, okay? In case if you want to go deeper into the ground, all you have to do is just remove the hammer nut. Okay, remove hammer. Remember I told you about the coupling? Basically, this is just a connector. Just put it here. Make sure you screw it tightly all the way in. And take the second rod. Put it here. Screw it in. Once it's fully in, see? Okay? That's where you see this tall thing there. Same thing from here. You repeat the same process again. You put this one, and then this one, and then this one, and the height of 4 will extend, and it goes down. That's all. I'll see you next again. Thank you.